Alright, what's going on, guys? We are back with Spencer's Ultrasport today. We're about to do a little diverter valve install. He went with the 034 Motorsports diverter valve, and this is for when he goes tuned. It's always recommended that you do your diverter valve before you tune your ECU to make more power, because the stock ones from Audi are really weak and they usually do blow up even under stock power. So it's always a good idea to replace this. So this is definitely one of the higher end options, but as long as it's something more reinforced. I think the OEM Audi ones are rubber on the inside, so they crack under any ridiculous amount of pressure. So I was looking inside of this. This looks like a more hardened plastic instead of a rubber, so that's probably the reason for upgrading. So we're gonna hop underneath the car and take a look and get the old one out. All right, so first things first, there's hose clamps on there, on it. So they usually get rusty because of how close they are to the ground. So get a can of PB Blaster before you start this. This is just a helpful tip. And you can see it under there. That's the DV right there in the middle, and that's a hose going to it. And that one behind it right here is a hose going to it. You can see how rusty that one is. We blasted that with PB Blaster. We're gonna let it sit there for like 5 minutes before we attempt to pull it off. But other than that, it's a pretty straightforward install. You can't really see it, but there's also a vacuum line going to the front of it. So we're gonna get that off as well. All right, so as you can see, we just popped off the first hose. They do take a little bit of persuasion to get off because they get kind of seized too there, but we just have this one to do. And then the vacuum line, we'll pull out the old one. All right, so we just popped the second one off and the vacuum line comes off super easy. Here's the old one. You can see it's plastic, gunked up by oil. It still seems like it's good. He really wasn't having any problems with boost or power or anything. This was just to prepare for the future power, but you can see the difference of the two. All right, we got it.
Sorry.
It's in there. We got all the lines hooked up. There are some people saying that you need to get a longer vacuum line, but with this one, the 034 Motorsports one, there is no issues with fitment. This one honestly fits better than the stock one does. Like when I was looking at the stock one, it was stretching, so I was thinking we are definitely gonna need some more, but the way that they have these set up, it's a perfect fit. So I'm gonna tighten these down and we are gonna take it for a first drive. He heard the beep and he was like, all right. All right, guys, so we got it back in there. We're going to drop it down on the ground. And this video also is going to be showcasing the first time we're starting the car on the channel with Spencer's new exhaust. He just got that boy built. We have to jump it because, you know, the battery's dead. But, yeah, let's get a cold start going.
Like high flow resonator.
Yeah, so Spencer just got his exhaust done. You guys remember the video of us doing the test pipe. So what he has is a 3-inch test pipe back to a custom exhaust. It's basically straight pipe from the test pipe back to a MagnaFlow, single MagnaFlow resonator, and straight back. So you could pretty much consider this a test pipe with a muffler delete, but this thing is dialed in. This is honestly probably the best sounding exhaust on the A4. That if you replace your stock resonator with a MagnaFlow resonator, it gives it a deeper tone. So we're about to do a quick cold start here, and then we're going to take it for some rips, see how the new diverter valve performs.
Ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Oh yeah. That is hands down the best sounding exhaust for an A4. That is absurd. All right, we're about to go get some rolling shots. We're gonna get it rolling under boost and everything. I don't know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below, but I don't know if the video is doing it justice or not, but that is the best sounding A4 exhaust for the 1.8T, hands down. Test pipe with a single MagnaFlow resonator. Gets rid of all the unnecessary rasp, and you can definitely tell it has that deeper undertone. That's, dude, hands down the best sounding exhaust for the A4.
Out of the one out of the garage.
Oh, dude, honestly, the exhaust sounds so good.
First reactions of driving. Actually, he's driven this before, but
Yeah, I have. Back when you first got it.
yes, sir. He's one that
Yeah,
test
like-
drove this.
Wow. Like the only thing I'm not used to is the clutch, just because it feels a little bit lighter, but. Oh! Bro, this feels faster. I'm pretty sure
Okay,
that's
take it right here, take it right here, take it right here.
Bro!
All right, guys, this is Spence. This is a drive-by with the A4, the 1.8T, the Ultrasport. Solomon's just about to drive past. It's pitch black out here, but I'm trying to get you a good video. I can already hear him, bro. He's crazy.
All right, guys, so Spencer's gonna drive the car now. I really do think that it made the car faster, but he's gonna give me a couple reps here off the warm start. You can hear that turbo whistle. Yeah, that sounds good. Hit it, buddy. He showed me the videos. That does no justice on video. You guys, any 1.8T guys, you have to do this to your car. Sounds amazing. All right, guys, so we just finished up doing some pulls. I hope that sounded as good on video as it did in real life. It sounds awesome. This is definitely the must-have exhaust configuration for the 1.8T. It's not too raspy, but it just has a perfect rumble and drone to it. It sounds really, really good. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys feel like your car's low on boost, I would definitely recommend swapping out that diverter valve. It made the car a lot faster. It felt a lot faster. So like even if you're building boost properly, you could have a tear in your diverter valve that you don't even notice, and it could be letting out a little bit of boost, causing your horsepower to be lower and the car to be slower. So for $150, I feel like that is a must-do mod. But other than that, guys, that's it for today's video. More S6 content coming this week. And that's it for Spence's Ultrasport. Follow him on Instagram at UltrasportSpence, at UltrasportSpence on Instagram. So you can be more up to date with this car, because I'm not always able to be over filming videos with him to keep like perfect updates on it, but if you follow him on Instagram, you'll get every little bit and piece if you're interested in this car. So all right, I'll talk to you guys later.